This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tracy Brown. AVALON Condo. This refined 2-bedroom 2-bath condo offers one-level living with the space of a house but not the maintenance of a house. As you enter the oversized living room, you are greeted with large sprawling floor tile, high ceilings, recessed lighting, and natural light pouring in from the sliding patio doors and windows. The kitchen has the same gorgeous tile, tons of counter and cabinet space, all appliances, and a breakfast area flooded with even more natural light. The bedrooms are nicely separated and have dark wood flooring, ceiling fans, large closets and lots of space to rest. The patio is your private space not shared with neighbors and overlooks lots of green grass and mature trees. Oh, and did I mention the condo has a full 2-car garage with garage door opener for convenience and ease of entry. You must see this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Brown at 352-208-2439.